How to set up Bixby as a side button. If I press the side button, as you can see, my Gemini is enabled. So how to set up as Bixby? For that, go your setting and scroll down. Then here you can see the advanced feature. Go the advanced feature, select Bixby. Now you have to set up your Bixby first. Press on next. Now, hi Siri, set a alarm for 7 o'clock. Hey Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hey Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Then select Hey Bixby or Bixby, and to select Bixby, then press on next. Agree term and condition, press on done. Now if I press the sign button, it's still showing the Gemini. So to set up Bixby, volume down and side button press and hold together. Then as you can see, side button setting. Now press on long press. Now select Bixby. Now go back. Now if you press on side button, your Bixby is enabled, or Bixby, your Bixby is enabled. So that's it. This is how you can easily set up Bixby for your S26 Ultra. Thumbs up and do subscribe if video helpful.